How to fill in letters with lines in Cricut Design Space. Step 1. In Cricut Design Space, select an image or images you want to use. Step 2. With the image selected, click on the Operation drop-down menu and select Pen. Step 3. Resize the image, and if you notice that the letters are overlapping, click on Combine, then select Unite on the bottom right side of the screen. Step 4. Stretch the image out and make it larger, then click on Offset. Step 5. Drag the distance over to the left to make an inverted offset, then click Apply. Step 6. With the new offset layer selected, click on Offset and create another inverted offset. Step 7. Keep repeating the same steps until the letters are filled in. Step 8. Select all the layers and click on Attach, then resize it. Step 9. If you have an SVG to fill in the letters, upload it, then open the uploaded image. Step 10. Move the lines, select the design, click on Combine, then Weld. Step 11. With the design selected, click on Duplicate in the Layers panel, and drag the duplicated design over to the lines. Step 12. Highlight both the layers and click on Slice on the bottom right side of the screen. Step 13. Pull apart the sliced layer and delete the lines. Step 14. Drag and position the sliced layer on top of the outline layer. Step 15. Once it looks good, select both the layers and click on Attach. Step 16. When you're ready, click on Make It, then reposition the images on the mat, and click Continue. Step 17. Then select the material. Step 18. Put the material on the cutting mat, open Clamp A and load the marker pen. Step 19. Press the up and down arrow button to load the cutting mat, then press the Start button to begin drawing. Step 20. Once it's drawn, unload the mat and check how the design turned out. For more such help and information, visit us at www.manymaker.com, or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.